Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Jacqueline's first flash mob. Team or deaf.
Yes!
In the making. We need the Rocky music.
Or I'd rather do Chariots of Fire.
Okay, that works.
Alright.
I sent him a carton. I hope he doesn't shut us down.
Oh.
Crouch. Look suspicious. And then I'm going to honk my horn. Honk, honk, honk. And they're all going to run towards the light post without any cars by it, right up here. And I'm going to say, team! And we're all going to hold hands and make a circle. And then we're going to say, our death!
Okay, no squatting. Okay, alright, good.
Would you like to hold the sign?
I'll hold the sign.
Okay.
Yes!
Light post. Upstairs. I'll give you the sign.
I run to the light post.
Up here. From wherever you're at.
From the closest car to the everybody go here. Everybody hang out with the closest car.
Yeah.